Hey, everyone, it's Kana here. Recently, I had the pleasure of trying out some fantastic sauces from Spicy Rise. Today, I've got a mouth-watering chicken recipe that features their cognac and honey pepper sauce. It's a recipe that's easy to whip up and is perfect for those who crave a bit of heat in their meals. First, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Second, in a mixing bowl, we have 6 chicken wings. Add some salt, add some sugar, and also pepper, and olive oil. After that, add honey pepper sauce. That is the main point of this recipe. Just simply mix all together. After that, add some dark soy sauce. Pop them into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. After that, put it on the oven tray, and then bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes or until the skin is irresistibly crispy and golden brown. Then it's all done. This is so yummy. This honey and pepper sauce is a luxurious blend of velvety cognac, sweet honey, and a harmonious hint of bold pepper, skillfully crafted to enrich your culinary creations with a delightful touch of warmth.